When you receive your 4-shelf floor display, it'll be in two components. You'll have a carcass and you'll have a header as such down here. It's very simple to assemble. We'll actually open the carcass out, sort of, and bring the two sides in towards you. And then you can just work from the bottom and actually bring these in. You'll see that there is a plastic clip, and in each of these clips it will just slot in to the side and just push down to it so that it locks. Repeat this on all of the 4 shelves. And that will assemble the actual 4-shelf display. You'll then have what we call a header. That will go into the back. Slot that all the way down. It will rest just past onto the sides, and there you have it.